What a performance! The energy you gave to the crowd gave me goosebumps, and I can't be the only one.